The luxury three-row SUV market is brutal, but Acura is finally fixing the one thing everyone complained about. The 2026 MDX gets a stunning new look and updated power, but they've added one game-changing piece of tech from their new EV that completely transforms the driving experience. Stick around to see why this finally makes it a true German killer. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Digital Auto Addict 99, your home for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're looking at a serious contender that just got a massive upgrade, the refreshed 2026 Acura MDX. Let's kick things off with what's under the hood, the specs. Acura continues to offer two fantastic engine choices. The standard MDX is powered by the proven 3.5-liter V6, delivering a solid 290 horsepower, perfectly capable for daily duties. But for the addicts like us, there's the MDX Type S. It boasts a 3.0-liter turbo V6, unleashing 355 horsepower and 354 pounds-feet of torque, all channeled through Acura's legendary super-handling all-wheel drive system. While these excellent engines carry over from the major 2025 refresh, the big rumor for 2026 is the potential addition of a hybrid powertrain to better compete on efficiency. While not confirmed, it's a logical next step for this platform. Okay, this is where the 2026 MDX truly shines. Let's talk tech. Remember that game-changing feature I mentioned? It's here. Acura has finally ditched the controversial True Touchpad Interface. In its place is a beautiful, responsive 12.3-inch touchscreen with Google built in. This is a massive leap forward. You get Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store integrated directly into the car. It's faster, more intuitive, and as easy to use as your smartphone. This single upgrade elevates the entire cabin experience, pairing perfectly with the configurable Accurate Precision Cockpit Digital Gauge Cluster and the incredible ELS Studio 3D Premium Audio System. All right, the moment of truth. When can you get this massively improved MDX, and what will it cost? Since the 2026 model builds directly on the significant 2025 refresh, you can expect to see them arriving in dealerships in the fall of 2025. As for the price, Acura remains a value leader. Expect the base 2026 MDX to start around $52,000 USD. If you want the thrill of the Type S, pricing will land in the mid-$70,000 range, offering serious performance that undercuts many of its European competitors. With its potent engine options, aggressive new styling, and most importantly, a brilliant new touchscreen interface, the 2026 MDX is more than just an update. It's a statement. So, the big question is, with this new game-changing tech, has Acura finally perfected the MDX? Is it enough to pull you away from a BMW X5 or a Lexus RX? Drop your honest opinion in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching Digital Auto Addict 99. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next upload. Drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.